Welcome back to the channel, and thank you for joining me today. If you're a fan of high-performance luxury cars that combine cutting-edge technology, blistering speed, and head-turning design, the 2026 Mercedes AMG GT63 SE is a car you need to know about. This four-door super sedan blends the thrill of a sports car with the practicality of a high-end luxury sedan. Today, we're diving deep into every aspect of this masterpiece, from its exterior design to the interior comfort, hybrid powertrain, advanced safety systems, and pricing. Let's get started. Body panels. The body panels of the 2026 AMG GT63 SE are crafted with precision to maximize both aerodynamics and performance. Lightweight aluminum and high-strength steel are used to reduce weight while maintaining structural rigidity. Every contour, crease, and vent is designed to manage airflow, reduce drag, and improve high-speed stability. The wide fenders, aggressive rear haunches, and low-slung roofline not only give the car an athletic stance but also enhance downforce, keeping the GT63 SE glued to the road during spirited driving. Headlights. Up front, the GT63 SE features multi-beam LED headlights with adaptive technology. These lights automatically adjust their brightness and beam pattern based on speed, steering angle, and oncoming traffic, providing maximum visibility without dazzling other drivers. The sleek, sharp design of the headlights gives the car an aggressive, predatory look that matches its performance-focused persona. Taillights. At the rear, full LED taillights stretch across the width of the car, highlighting its broad stance. They feature dynamic turn signals and instant illumination during braking, improving visibility and safety. The taillight design not only looks futuristic but also reinforces the AMG GT63 SE's sporty and muscular presence from every angle. Grille. The front grille is the signature AMG Panamericana grille with vertical slats, combining bold styling with functionality. It allows optimal airflow to the twin-turbocharged engine and hybrid components while projecting power and sophistication. The grille perfectly balances elegance and aggression, making a strong first impression. Seats. Inside, the GT63 SE offers premium sport seats that provide exceptional support and comfort. Front seats come with multi-way power adjustment, heating, ventilation, and massage functions, keeping drivers fresh even on long drives or spirited runs. Rear passengers enjoy ample legroom and optional recline functions, offering near-luxury sedan comfort while maintaining a sporty vibe. Dashboard. The dashboard blends digital technology with AMG-specific design cues. High-quality materials like leather, carbon fiber, and metal accents create a luxurious yet performance-oriented environment. A fully digital instrument cluster displays vehicle metrics, hybrid system status, navigation, and driving modes, keeping essential information directly in the driver's line of sight. Infotainment system. The infotainment system is centered around a large OLED touchscreen with Mercedes MBUX interface. It offers voice control, gesture recognition, navigation, media streaming, and vehicle performance data. AMG-specific displays allow monitoring of power distribution, torque, and hybrid energy flow, giving enthusiasts a detailed look at the car's capabilities in real time. Steering wheel. The AMG Performance steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara and leather for maximum grip. Integrated controls provide easy access to media, cruise control, and hybrid system settings. Paddle shifters allow quick, precise gear changes, enhancing driver engagement. Steering feedback is sharp and communicative, making both high-speed runs and tight cornering feel effortless. Engine. The 2026 AMG GT63 SE is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that delivers explosive power and torque. The engine is paired with an AMG SpeedShift MCT 9-speed transmission, providing lightning-fast gear changes and smooth acceleration. This setup allows the GT63 SE to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds, offering exhilarating performance without sacrificing comfort. Hybrid option. The GT63 SE also features a plug-in hybrid system, combining the V8 with an electric motor for additional torque, improved fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions. The electric motor provides instant response at low speeds, enhancing acceleration while delivering smoother and quieter operation during city driving. This hybrid setup allows drivers to enjoy electric-only short-range driving, making it a versatile high-performance vehicle for both track and daily use. Airbags. Safety is a core focus of the AMG GT63 SE, which comes equipped with a comprehensive airbag system, including front, side, curtain, and knee airbags. Advanced sensors ensure precise deployment during collisions, offering maximum protection for all occupants. Parking assist. Despite its performance-focused nature, the car is easy to maneuver thanks to advanced parking assist technologies. Surround view cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and automated parking functions allow the car to park itself in tight spaces safely, making city driving much less stressful. Price. The 2026 Mercedes AMG GT63 SE is expected to start around $160,000 to $180,000 USD, depending on optional packages, hybrid configuration, and customization. Considering its blend of V8 power, hybrid efficiency, advanced technology, and luxury, it offers a unique proposition in the high-performance sedan segment. Ending note. That wraps up our detailed review of the 2026 Mercedes AMG GT63 SE. With its combination of blistering performance, luxury, cutting-edge hybrid technology, and aggressive design, this car proves that you don't have to compromise between speed and comfort. Whether you're tackling the track or cruising on the highway, the GT63 SE delivers a thrilling and refined driving experience. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments below.